Kailanman lang po going to San Pablo, pero yes, it is my first time here in Barangay Daya.
This is indeed your first time. So, kamusta? How was the experience judging the Ginoo at Binibining Dayap 2024?
I can say na judging from different pageants here in Laguna, syempre medyo nakakaikot-ikot na rin ako. Talagang quality yung pageant dito and napakagagaling ng mga binibining ang Ginoo natin and talented nila, napakaganda, napakagagwapo, and hopefully they will also excel in further pageant. Maybe in Binibini at Ginoong Kalawan and also in Anilag next year.
That is true, Ms. Poliana. And ikaw ang chairman of the board for tonight. Ano ang hinahanap mo sa isang winner o kayong mga hurado for tonight sa Ginoo at Binibining Dayap 2024?
Since being a pageant veteran, I can say na ang hinahanap ko sa mga binibini at Ginoo, sa mga winners, is someone who exudes confidence. Kapag naglalakad sila, kapag nagsasalita sila, syempre kailangan din yung pagiging welcoming sa mga tao and kung pleasant ba sila. Nakikita din kasi yan sa stage and how do they handle themselves. Syempre, iba dapat beauty, wit, and intelligence talaga kapag nasa beauty pageant tayo. Hindi lang basta pretty face.
That is for Ms. Poliana. And may isa pa akong tanong sa'yo, being a beauty queen yourself, ano ang maipapayo mo sa susunod ng mga mananalo?
Sa mga susunod na mananalo dyan, hopefully that you represent Barangay Dayap. Hindi po ba yung mga taga-Dayap? Gusto nyo naman po magkaroon ng representation sa Binibini at Ginoong Kalawan next year. Siyempre, kailangan palaban ng mga taga-Dayap. And ang masasabi ko po sa mga winners is hopefully na mag-training pa kayo. Siyempre, madaming opportunities sa mga ganitong klaseng pageant. Not only opportunities, but you'll also be able to uplift yourself, be more confident, and ayun, magkakaroon ka rin ng great discipline.
Yes, indeed, Ms. Poliana. And we are talking about Binibining Laguna, National Pageant, International Pageant. So, Poliana, since you have joined Binibining Laguna and other even national competition, what's next for you?
I'm 23 now, so medyo, I think, nasa edad na for a national pageant. Pero titignan natin, hopefully, makaghanda for next year and sana po supportahan niyo ako. Pero for the meantime, I would like to pinapabati ko po ang ating Binibining Laguna 2024 Rendal Karaig. Sana po ay suportahan niyo po siya sa darating na Binibining Pilipinas. Nire-representa niya po ang province of Laguna. Ayan, siya po ay nakalaban ko noong Binibining Laguna 2024 at siya po ngayon ay kasali sa Binibining Pilipinas. Hopefully, ako din naman po next year. Sana.
Yes, we will support you, Ms. Poliana. And thank you so much for being with us tonight and supporting Ginoo at Binibining Dayap 2024. And good luck on your journey as a pageant veteran and pageant enthusiast. Maraming salamat. Once again, Barangay Dayap, our chairman of the board, the beauty queen, Ms. Poliana Martina Bagulis Manalo. Thank you so much. Once again, Ms. Poliana Martina Bagulis Manalo.